We all know that the Casström Woodsman has earned its reputation. Now it's time to see if the Järv Woodsman can live up to its name. Watch this episode and you will find out.
In today's episode, we're gonna do batoning, feather sticks, fire steel.
We're gonna do some carving. We're gonna test the edge. And of course, we're gonna make a lot of good food.
Woo! Welcome to West Coast Bushcrafters.
And today it's all about the Casström Woodsman Järv.
West Coast Bushcrafters!
Are you ready for some more filming outside? Casström is using 15 and 20 steel in this Woodsman Järv version. It most likely does not have the best edge retention, but it is really easy to sharpen up and you can make it razor sharp. Let's see. Yes.
Do you want to win a cap?
Stay tuned. This is the original Woodsman Järv version. You can feel a difference in weight. It is a thinner blade and different steel. This is like a fine carver. This is a fine carver, a little bit more robust version. It fits well in the hand.
A beautiful knife.
Oh yes. Let's see how the Woodsman Järv works with batoning. Or maybe consider to use another knife. It is not that thick of a blade. So, not comfortable with that today. We take another knife from the family. We're not pushing it. Feather sticking. Expectations are really high. This is a knife for woodworking, I would say. It is so sharp. Nice. It bites in the wood super smooth. It's really controllable. No pressure on the wood. Very nice fine curls. This is absolutely a knife which gives pure pleasure doing feather sticks.
Wow.
This is easy. It's a different level. I have to say, the amount of control you get with this knife is impressive. It has a different feel like a normal original Woodsman. It feels thinner, lighter, a little bit more control even. This is a good knife for woodworking. How hungry are you, Kjetil?
Very hungry. Wow.
Let's fillet a fish.
Let's do it.
We bought a really nice fish. It's called Common Ling or White Ling. We're gonna eat this beast.
Oi, oi, oi. Nice team.
Pretty awesome, isn't it? With
Yeah. Look.
Small bushcraft knife. We got a lot of meat from this fish.
Oh yeah.
Okay, it's not a fillet knife, but still, I think it's quite impressed.
It performs well.
Oh.
Lots of salt.
Lots of salt.
It's a one-handed job.
Yeah, sort of. Oh man. Well done.
Whoa. Well done.
Here a comparison to other custom knives. As you can see, we really like custom knives. Here is the Järv version compared to the original Woodsman. The number 10 flat grind, same here. This is the number 10 Scandi grind. 2 large felt knives and the number 14. Here a closer look between the Woodsman Järv and the original one. Let's test with the Woodsman Järv how sharp the spine is. And it is a sharp spine. Let's just give it a shot.
Oh, looks good.
That should not be a problem.
No, not at all.
This was easy. It's a really handy, good size knife for making a fire with a fire steel. Let's see if we can cut it down. It's quite impressive, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, blood.
It bites really deep in the wood.
Nice.
This is one of the better knives for woodworking. It helps with the slimmer blade. Look at this. Oh man.
Holy shit.
The Woodsman Järv is one of those knives where all dimensions are just right for being a good carving knife. The blade is 3.2 millimeters thick and it's less than 9 centimeters long. The weight is much less compared with the original Woodsman, and I think this makes it, together with the Scandi grind, an excellent carving knife.
I just cut myself.
No shit.
Taking out the knife. Let's do that.
How are your finger doing?
Bleeding, but it's no problem. It's not that sharp anymore.
Let's see how fast we can sharpen up this knife. Hair popping sharp. I'm happy. This is
Oh yeah. Oh Jesus. It's sharp. And the winner of last episode's Caps lottery is... Congratulations!
Please send us an email with your name, address and stuff, and then we will send you a cap.
Yeah, nice! Unfortunately, we are out of hats.
But if you want to win a cap next time, write in the comments, I want a cap, and maybe
you will be the winner. All right, time for conclusion. I've been behind the camera almost the whole episode, Tim, so what's your conclusion?
Well, let's start with how beautiful this knife is. Didn't they make a fantastic, beautiful knife? Yeah, I like it. Spine 3.2 millimeters, really nice. A great improvement in cutting capacity.
Yeah.
Great for carving. More lightweight.
Food prepping.
Food prepping, we could even fillet big fish with this one. Maintenance, quite remarkable how easy it is to sharpen, and you can sharpen it easy, hair popping sharp. Overall, a fantastic knife to bring with you along another knife. At least that's what we think.
Yes.
We like to bring some knives with us.
And another knife, what's that?
Here, this one is the new Casström number 10 forest knife with a 4.5 thickness of a blade.
4.5! Woo!
I would bring this one.
Yeah, me too. Okay, thank you so much for watching.
Hope to see you next time.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.